Hey, what's up? My name is Jen. I am a product photographer turned Amazon seller. And in this video today, we are going to talk about 8 different lucrative side hustles that can help you bring in more revenue into your household. Whether you're just dreaming of having extra cash or you want to build an amazing business, all of these 8 lucrative side hustles are potential options for you. Let's dive into it. The first one is going to be a drop shipping business. And drop shipping, if you're unaware, is when you essentially create ads on Facebook, Instagram, and you promote a particular product, and there's a manufacturer overseas who will ship that product each time someone orders it. Your primary focus is going to be marketing, sales, developing a Shopify website. You don't really have to handle the inventory because your drop shipper in another country like China is going to be the one to actually do all of the mailing for you. The downside with a business like this is when your manufacturers ship the product, because it is overseas, number one, it can be costly unless it's a very small product. And number two, it can take a lot of time. It can take a week or two just to get through customs and get overseas. So the downside of this is it can be a slow process to get your products to your customers, but it is a very lucrative side hustle and you can definitely make a lot of money with something like this. A second side hustle you can consider would be a print on demand business. So this is where you create designs for t-shirts, coffee mugs, any sort of physical product that people like to have personalized or have something really cute on, and you list this product on a place like Etsy or even on your own website, and then you actually use a third party who will print these products on demand. So that means you don't have to carry a large stock of these products. Every time someone orders one of these products, your print on demand company will print it and ship it to your customer. So it's a really unique way to get products out to customers without having to pay up front for a lot of inventory or guess what the market's going to want or like. Side hustle idea number 3 is affiliate marketing. And affiliate marketing is where there is a company or a person who already has a product or service they provide. And if you can convince other people to purchase that product through links on places like YouTube or Pinterest or your social media or your email, you can essentially get a commission on those products. So a lot of times people will be affiliate marketers for, let's say, a really high-end course that costs $2,000, $4,000. And the commissions on these can be pretty high. It could be up to 15%. If you have a really big YouTube channel and you want to share this course on your YouTube channel and people click your affiliate link, you get a commission every time a sale is made. So you don't actually have to develop a product or anything like that. You just have to have either a following or find a place where people would purchase this product and convince them to purchase it. Side hustle idea number 4 is to start a YouTube channel. There are a ton of YouTube channels out there that don't even require people to put their face on them. They're just developing content in a very specific niche, whether that be murder mysteries or new cars when they come out. You can create a YouTube channel on literally any topic you could imagine. And there's multiple ways to actually get revenue from a YouTube channel like this. One of the ways is once you get a certain number of views on your channel and your videos, YouTube will actually pay you commissions. So all of the advertising that ends up going on your videos, YouTube allows you to actually sign up to monetize your channel so that every time an ad is played on one of your videos, you get a small piece of what that advertiser paid to have their video there. So picking YouTube channel niches that are in a highly profitable category like finance can be very helpful. The other way that you can make money from a YouTube channel is through affiliate links. So going back to affiliate marketing, when you do have a large number of viewers or followers, let's say you're reviewing tech gadgets, you can actually put links in your description of the videos to the products that you're talking about on your YouTube videos and get a commission for every sale of those. Amazon has an affiliate program. If you want to talk about video gear, you can create videos about video gear and then you can put affiliate links in there for that video gear. And every time someone, let's say, buys a $2,000 camera, you're going to get a 5% commission on that sale. So those are the 2 ways you can make money from a YouTube channel. Side hustle idea number 5 is become an influencer. And becoming an influencer is a lot easier than you might think. Typically, people think of Instagram influencers or girls posting pictures in bikinis, but you can do this on any channel. You can do it on TikTok, you can do it on Pinterest, you can do it on a blog page, YouTube, any of these. And essentially, you want to pick a niche or a category that you're interested in, and you think that there's a large group of people who are interested in that category too. I've seen influencers that all they talk about is finance or all they talk about is cats. you can make your dog an influencer. It doesn't just have to be about clothing. You can become an influencer by talking about things you already love and enjoy. And over time, you can reach out to brands and have them pay you to create content on products you probably already use. Side hustle idea number 6 is to create an online course. More than likely, you have some specialized set of knowledge that not a lot of other people know about. If you find your friends and family constantly asking you how to do a particular thing, how to get a certain type of job, how to do one of your hobbies, these are all things you can create a course on. And typically, you want it to be something that helps people make money or improve their lives in some way. And so if you do have a skill that you think would be valuable and you found a lot of people asking you how you do it, this might be an opportunity for you to create an online course. And you don't need a huge following to be able to launch an online course. You just need a small community of people who are interested in that subject. Side hustle idea number 7 is to become a freelancer. And there are a ton of different opportunities when it comes to freelancing. You can be a freelance photographer, freelance writer. There's all sorts of different jobs. And more than likely, there is one of these skills that you actually are good at. So I would go to a website like Fiverr and go look to see what different types of freelancers there are. There's graphic designers, copywriters, all of these different categories. And if there's something that piques your interest, you can actually just list yourself as a freelancer on their website. You can also apply to jobs on a place like Upwork for people who are looking for help in their own businesses, either doing copywriting, developing their website, those sorts of things. Freelancing is a great opportunity to be able to get experience, get paid, all on your own terms. My final side hustle idea number 8 is my personal favorite. This is what I do. I started an Amazon FBA business, and this is similar to drop shipping, but different because in an Amazon FBA private label business, you actually get to pick the product, brand it with your own brand name, create a beautiful landing page for your store, and sell your product in a place where people are already looking for it. So instead of having to try to find customers, you can sell your product in a place where customers are already searching every single day. I personally make over $20,000 a month per product that I have launched. And I have multiple brands now on Amazon. Amazon does all of the fulfillment, all of the shipping, all of the picking, all the packing. All that I have to do is pick the product, brand the product, create the listing, and watch the sales roll in. So there you have it. There are my 8 side hustle ideas for you if you're looking to bring more income into your life. If you would like to learn more about how to launch your own Amazon FBA business, or you're just curious what that looks like, I actually created a video detailing out how I made $18,000 my first month of launching a product. And I walk you through step by step how I did that. If you do want to learn more, it's completely free. There's a link in the description below, so go check that out, and we will see you on the next one.